Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat not sending snaps, right? So basically you have to just go to the Play Store, and before that it can be the internet problem, okay? So make sure that you have pretty good internet connection. And if you have gone into the Play Store, then search here Snapchat. Okay, and after that, if you get the option of update in the place of open, then update the app right now. And after that, updating the app, just go to the setting of your phone. So if I just click on the setting, and here you have to scroll a little bit down, and you have to just go to the app management, click on the app list, and here it will take a very few seconds to load depending upon the apps that is present over your phone, right? And here we have to scroll a little bit down where we will find the Snapchat, but I'm not going to find it. I will just search here, right? So just click on the Snapchat, and here just after that, just click on the storage usage. But before just clicking here, make sure that you force stop the app, right? And just force stopping the app, just click on storage usage, clear the cache, and just try to reopen the app. If it's worked perfectly fine, then don't forget to like this video. And after that, if this doesn't fix your problem, then just click on the clear data, and it will definitely fix your problem. Okay guys, so then click on OK, and you have to re-log in into your Snapchat, and this is it. So this will definitely fix it. And if you found this video really helpful and interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.